Here we go. Now that Babbidi's gone, nothing's preventing Majin Buu from going on a rampage.
What's wrong, Goku?
What's wrong is that I'm officially beat. Who knew transforming into Super Saiyan 3 would do such a number on my body? Won't be long now. I don't have much time left here.
So until then, we have to make sure the kids perfect that fusion technique. Those two are the last chance this planet has.
I got it! This is the dragon radar, right?
All right. Look, we really don't have much time left. So do yourselves a favor and get ready, you two.
Yes, sir!
You're gonna need to be able to match one another's energy, but you can practice that later. First, we'll start with the hard part, so pay attention. For the fusion pose, you both have to mirror each other exactly. I'm gonna show you the pose now, so don't take your eyes off me, okay? First, you stand a little bit away from each other. Then, do this. Now, watch the angle of your arms. Phew! With your arms in opposite directions, you take 3 steps to get closer to each other. Jun? Then, you make fists with your hands. Watch the angle of your legs. Ha! Then, you bring your fingers together like this. And don't forget to extend your legs out really far like this, too.
We have to do that? It's so lame.
Yeah.
To make things a little easier to follow, me and Piccolo are gonna model it for you, okay?
What? Wait, we are?
Just like this. You both have to move like you're each other's reflection in a mirror. Phew! Jun? Ha! All right, your turn. One, two, 1, 2.
Goku, it's about time we take you back to the other world.
Yeah, I know. Piccolo, it's up to you.
Right.
Goku, see you around. Well, not really, but you know what I mean.
Goodbye, Goku!
Come on, Chi-Chi, don't look so sad. You still got Goten, right?
But what if he's killed by Majin Buu too?
Don't worry. Once he masters this technique, Majin Buu won't stand a chance against him. If I see Gohan on the other side, I'll be sure to tell him you said hi.
Okay.
I get the feeling that Gohan is still alive.
I hope you're right. I really do.
Yeah.
Goku, we really must be going now.
Right. What is it, Goten?
Oh, I know. You want to give your dad a hug, don't you?
Oh, is that what you want? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Goten, take good care of your mom.
Okay.
All right, everyone. everyone, I'm off! Look me up when you die!
Man, I don't know how Goku can have such a carefree attitude, even about death.
I trust that you can handle things on your own from here, yes?
Right. Thanks, Granny. I wonder if Gohan's already made his way to Otherworld. Huh? I don't believe it! Gohan! Yeah, that's his energy, all right. But how? Where is he? Wait, it's not King Kai's place. No. There! What the hell is this place?